Can someone please tell me why our modern courts are overflowing with lame cases? Could this owe to the unfortunate belief which people have placed in their law courts to solve every challenge that they have in their daily lives? It is the ordinary folks themselves who have made a great contribution to this problem of endless lawsuits. They run into courtrooms to settle their disputes, even small disagreements that can be settled by a simple discussion. They rush them to courts. There they find a burdensome of activities and responsibilities that are far greater than what they would have faced if they had done things conventionally. They suddenly find themselves in a trap. What they had thought would be a quick, smooth contract later turned out to be a lengthy, bitter, and costly exchange. They had hoped the courts would save them in their dispute, but ended up being taken advantage of by tricky lawyers. Do you think the courts of this town care about the problems you have? Do you actually believe they can help you carry your burdens? Do you think they have your best interests at heart? All that is in their interest is how they can extract vast financial fortunes from your problems. There are problems that really need court intervention to work, that we understand. But not every little argument, a tiny dispute between folks should be rushed to courts. For the courts of this lily town are worthless. When children fight in the neighborhood, their parents run to courts to bring lawyers to come and separate them. They also call all their other neighbors to stand as witnesses, to give clear evidences of who did what to whom first, whose child stole the other's toys, and which child threw the first punch, etc. They rush to court hoping it will solve their problems quickly, only to realize later that such a decision was a terrible mistake. If some nasty guy will continually threaten me with a lawsuit, I would tell him this: please go and tell your bodyguards that I have called you foolish. They are all foolish, and they can't reason out simple things that even little children can teach them. The fact that you call guards to arrest me simply because of what I have said proves you are really a fool. If you are going to call the police to arrest me because I have called you a fool, it proves that you are indeed foolish. Why can't you talk back? Is your mouth tied up with bandage?